day and every week.
5 food groups, that's what I eat. 5 food groups every day and every week. Keeping me strong and healthy every day.
Carbohydrates are really great. They give me energy, I play all day. Mashed potato, rice and pasta. The more I eat, I want